Hello everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to share TikTok video on Facebook story. First thing is open the TikTok application on your phone device and get logged in. So first thing is you need to get logged in into the account. So you need to share a TikTok video. Find a video that you want to share it on your social media platform first. So first thing is you need to find a video that you want to share on your Facebook story. So tap on share icon over here, and then from the option below you tap on Facebook. This will open the Facebook. But the thing is, when you do this process, the video will not be posted as story, but this video will be posted as a Facebook post. That's not what we're going to do. So you need to discard this. Tap on discard. So what you do is tap and hold this for a few seconds, and then you will have the option to save video. You tap on save. With that, this video will be saved to your Facebook. With that, this video will be saved on your phone gallery. Now all you have to do is open your Facebook, tap on create story. Now you need to select the video that you have just downloaded from the TikTok and add it to your Facebook story. Tap on share, and you can see the story is currently in uploading. This is the only way how you can share TikTok video on Facebook story, as directly sharing from TikTok will not be added to a Facebook story but will be posted as a Facebook post. So you need to save the video first and then upload it. But this process is only possible for those videos which have the save option in TikTok. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.